Got the DC water pump, DC fan, PVC stand, copper coil, and final tubing, ice chest, and the outlets. This one's got both types of cooling. It's got the air blowing on the ice, and it's got the air blowing on the iced coil. And the whole thing right now is solar powered. Like that. And like this. That's the solar panel connection. That, of course, is the ice temp. And the coil temp is about 35. That is sweet. Again, fan and pump on the solar panels. Up to here. Things are working great. I'm nice and cool standing in front of it. Make sure to keep your fingers totally away from where you're drilling. That's perfect. Then I just took a knife and cut a hole in the lid. And finally I just added the two extender pieces. There's the water going through. Alright, now I got it loaded up with ice packs. don't want to hear the water running in there, just put the hose under the water like that. Perfect. Pump's still going strong. Coils are really cold. Fan's going strong.